All right, so this is Jeremy from Elevate Clients Inc. We're back with another client testimonial video. Today we have Fady from Pinnacle Building Services. So if you could just start off by introducing yourself, your company, and where you guys service.
Yeah, my name is Fady Ebied. We're based in Northern Arizona. Our main office is in Flagstaff. We do janitorial, carpet cleaning, floor work, construction cleanup jobs. We mostly focus in Northern Arizona, but we have expanded into a bunch of new cities.
Okay, awesome.
Right.
How long have you been running your company?
Company's been around since 1994, but I started about 3 years ago running it.
Awesome. So before working with us, what were you doing when it comes to your marketing and getting walkthroughs and contracts?
A lot of it was like word of mouth. We have like some SEO. We're doing some Google ads, but we were kind of struggling to get consistent walkthroughs and consistently coming into our pipeline.
Okay. So I guess is that what made you, kind of try our cold calling service?
Yeah. So for us, we wanted like a more aggressive approach. Plus, we
Mhm.
were trying to expand into different cities. So we thought hiring a salesperson to do cold calling would kind of be a pretty big upfront investment for us. So we found that your service was much more cost effective and allowed us to achieve pretty much the same goal.
Right. So how was the onboarding process and just getting started working with us?
It was really easy. I mean, very quick. There
Mhm.
wasn't there wasn't really I don't even really remember there being an like the onboarding process was like a day, if that.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, I'd say most really we just want to know the areas you service, who you
Yeah.
don't want to work with, and then, we get started building the list of everybody else
Yeah. And
eventually.
you guys have been good, like I feel like really fast on responding when we want to like focus on an area or
Hmm.
do some changes here and there.
Yep. Definitely try to. So I guess we've been working together. I just checked. It's been a year and 3 months.
Hmm.
So since we've gotten started working together, I guess what type of results have you seen?
We've gotten a lot of walkthroughs all over the area. Like kind of your service has allowed us to expand into new cities. Like we were trying to get into Kingman. We got a lead through you guys, and that led to about I think $2,000 a month worth of business. The other benefit too is like once we got into that market and we did a good job, like we got referrals. So it's also the kind of
Hmm.
like compounding effect of being in a certain area. Uh, I think we've done over 10,000 in recurring with you guys
Yeah.
uh,
Oh,
in business, and honestly, we could have done even better on our part if we just did a better job with following up the walkthroughs and so I think sometimes because we were trying to get into Phoenix, we didn't always have a rep to do it. So I think we could have even done better results just if we were even more on top of the leads that you guys gave us.
yeah. So can you share a specific opportunity or contract? I know you shared one before that, but that came from us that turned into, a solid deal for you guys.
Yeah, we had one a dealership.
Mhm.
I believe you guys called on, and the person said they weren't interested at this time, but follow up with them in 6 months. 6 months later, the rep that you guys brought on, follow up with him, and then that led to a walkthrough and just in janitorial is about 3,000 a month. Plus, now we're also doing floor work with them, so that's also added uh, to the ticket on like the yearly value.
Mhm.
Uh,
Awesome.
yeah,
So what do you like most about working with our team?
I would say you guys are very fast at responding. Like you send
Mhm.
in the lead. Like if I have a question, I can you guys respond right away, either you or Anto. I think also just the setup of how you relay the information with the link to the recording, so I can listen to the recording. Uh, sometimes I think I added like, oh, make try to get the square footage if they don't know. That's
Mhm.
fine, but like all that, quick, like the customer service is really good, right?
Mhm.
You guys have been flexible whenever we want to adjust to a new location.
Yep.
Yeah.
Awesome. And I guess how does this compare to other marketing or lead generation methods that you did try in the past?
I would say you guys are more flexible. The setup cost, was that I don't remember there being a setup cost.
Yeah.
Um, I believe it was month to month as well.
Hmm.
So it's to me it was like a no brainer on terms of the risk, especially at least with us. Like we can service big accounts. There's not really like just the one that we just got for it's a nursing home.
Hmm.
It's 50,000. When the sales rep followed up with them, it was a 50,000 square foot facility, right?
Right.
Uh, we haven't closed it. We have our walkthrough coming up, and it's not the whole facility. They're just trying to do like the common areas, but that could potentially lead to a very big opportunity for us in MRR. Uh,
Right.
but I think cold email and like SEO and these other ways of outreaching sometimes are a little more passive versus cold calling is I feel like it's an aggressive way where you're trying to get, especially with you guys, like based off the calls I'm listening to, is like you're trying to get to a decision maker, or trying to get some sort of information on what is going on with this client. And then that allows us to have a higher close rate than some other services that we've used um, that aren't as aggressive.
All right. So, kind of to end it off here, how would you say working with us over the past year or so has impacted your business? And, would you recommend other companies work with us?
Yeah, I would say definitely has impacted us in a positive way. Not just in a like revenue that we've generated, but like open up markets,
Hmm.
especially with us where we're trying to get into a new market that's 2-3 hours away. It's kind of difficult. Like, what's the cost for me to go send someone to go do door knocking
Hmm.
over there? So I think it's definitely helped our business expand into new areas, which, the exponential return is going to be a lot higher over the years as we grow out those new areas, and also gives you guys more areas to target, which I think leads to generally more success.
Definitely.
I think the other thing is like you guys are easy to work with. The I deal with you and Anto, and I haven't had any problems ever. So,
Mhm.
uh, yeah, I would definitely recommend it to someone who's trying to expand. I would just say like make sure you have the process in place to make sure that you can take advantage of the opportunities that come your way.
Right.
Yeah.
I definitely agree with that. Okay. Well, yeah, Fatty, I appreciate you hopping on here. For anybody watching on YouTube, LinkedIn, wherever, I appreciate you hopping on here, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.
All right. So this is Jeremy from Elevate Client Sync. Thank you for checking out the video. And if you own a commercial cleaning company and you are looking to grow, then schedule a call with my team and we would love to help. See you.